don't know if it's done yet, but I hope it is. I was gonna do my smoker out here today, but I guess not. Darn. Gonna shovel, I guess. Supposed to be playing basketball out here. Oh, we got done shoveling. Look how cold I am. Can you tell? I should take my temperature, huh?
Your cheeks are all red.
Well, now I'm ready for a Reuben sandwich. We got the bread and the cheese. Just gonna make the meat. Untitled dressing. I earned it, didn't I?
That'll warm you up.
No more snow. Come on. It's almost spring, right? Okay, let me find my pressure cooker. I'm gonna put my cooking apron on. This is my favorite meal today. Yummy, I'll meet them up. I'm gonna make 2 briskets in my 8-quart Instant Pot. Can you hear me? Testing. Look at them. Were these on sale? No. Alright. Well, we did get some that were on sale after we bought these. This is $23.32. $5.39 a pound. That's how expensive meat is these days. This is $23.91. They're a little bit over 4 pounds each. And I'm gonna cook them and eat them in the pressure cooker. And you know, I just came in from shoveling snow. It's a terrible day, and this is just so easy. You can put 1 in, but I'm gonna put in 2. I'm gonna open it up, rinse it off. My friend Brian Hartzell says he doesn't like this because it's too salty. But you could soak this overnight in water and rinse it off, and the saltiness comes out of it. It's how they make it corned beef with the brine. You know, I don't know about that, but I just know I like them. So I'm gonna open them up, rinse them off a little, put them in here. I'm gonna put a rack down there. Let me get a rack. Don't go back. Got a rack over there. Nice rack. Where I keep my racks. We have a rack of racks. Lots of racks. And I could have marinated this or put a rub on it, and I was going to smoke it too. I got my smoker all ready, but this is just the easiest thing. Put them in there, 90 minutes on high pressure, and it's done. Waiting for my rack. I can rinse them off. Yeah, that's
rack.
good. Yeah.
You can lift it out.
Yeah, just put that right in there. Thank you. Now, if it has some fat on it, you can cut it off if you want, but I don't mind. It's just gonna melt. That fat is gonna melt right off of there. And you see the grain in the meat? Can you see that from there? See how it goes like that? When you cut it at the end, you want to slice it this way. I can't wait. I love smoking these. We sous vide these already. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot.
Should I come up there with this camera?
Yeah, come up here and see how I'm gonna wiggle these in here. Huh? Okay, you see I got the first one in. Now, if I did one, it would be perfect. I'd just lay it down. But I'm doing two. They seem big to me. So I'm going to put them like this. It shows you that it can be done. I did this many times. Many times. And they give you these seasoning packets, which I'm going to sprinkle on top. One for each. But today, I'm also going to sprinkle some of my favorite spices on there. Cumin, which I love a lot. And when I make rub, I use that spice. Just give it a little extra something. Love that flavor. If you ever had that, that's good on pizza, that's good on everything. Smell it. And some garlic powder. I'm going to pour 3 cups of water in the bottom of this. I don't want to rinse off my rubs already. There's a lot in there, right? Pour it down there. That's 2. Three cups, because we need to build up pressure. It's like a simple, delicious gourmet meal. You know it is. Sprinkle these on, let them land where they might. If it was laying flat, they'd stick nice. Well, it's going to stick because it's moist. The meat is wet. The meat is wet. The meat is wet. I like these little pickling spice things. And that's all I need. I need this. I need my tinkling lid. Tinkle. Put it in pressure mode. I always went 90 minutes when I put 2 of these in, but I think I might go 100 minutes because they look bigger than what I did last time. So we want high pressure. I can't see this. Can you see this? Manual? Does that say manual? You know my eyes are bad right now.
It says high pressure.
Okay, we're gonna go up to 100 minutes. 99. Don't make me go all the way back around again. Ah, 105. And that's it. Make sure you're in pressure mode and then go take a nap. I might let the pressure release naturally for about 15 minutes. Where do you see it when it's done? And I'm gonna make a Reuben because I'm real hungry. I could eat it right now. Yeah, so when I make a Reuben, we usually have sauerkraut or coleslaw in there, but Kathy's gonna make some homemade coleslaw. I might eat a bite of it now because I'm so hungry. Carrots? They go in coleslaw? Alright, 105 minutes. Try that. It's so great. Brisket is one of the toughest pieces of meat you can buy. But if you cook it right, it just pulls apart and melts in your mouth. And I love it. Alright, I'll show you soon. Look, she's making coleslaw. Homemade. What'd you say? Why buy it when you can make it yourself?
Yeah, really. It's so easy and so fresh. And you don't have all that sauce sitting on it in a container in the store somewhere.
Sauce.
You just take nice thin slices and chop them up a little bit. And look, we're going to add it to the mixture of carrots.
Carrots!
Make it pretty. Pretty and nutritious.
And what are you going to put in there? Thousand dressing or?
No, I'm mixing a coleslaw dressing.
Oh. Vinegar?
It has apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise, honey. Oh, it's going to be so good.
We're going to need a bigger bowl.
Oh, we're going to mix it a little bit. You wanted a big bowl out of it to wait for the brisket to get done, right?
I'm probably going to eat some of the coleslaw.
All right, I'm going to make the dressing.
Put the coleslaw on my sandwich. You know how you do that.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to put the dressing on this first, though.
Okay. All right, she's putting mayonnaise in a cup.
About a cup. Cup of mayo.
I was watching Bonanza. What's that?
This is apple cider vinegar. We're going to add about a 1/4 cup. And about an equal amount of honey.
Never heard of such a thing.
Just to sweeten it. Some people use their sugar, regular sugar. But I think the honey gives it a little better sweetness. Okay.
Eat some of that.
Yep, I'm just going to mix that up. And we'll pour it on top after I get it nice and creamy.
And by the time my briskets are done, that's going to be all soaked in there good, huh?
Yep, it's on its way to building up pressure.
Remember, my meat's going to shrink. Just see how full it was in there? What do you see it when it's done? It'll be probably 3/4 of the size it was. But it's still delicious. You going to pour that on top?
Yeah, as soon as I get it mixed nicely.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, of course we're going to taste it. We might have to add a little more of something. But this is my favorite way to make it. And when you're making this at home, if you're making your fresh stuff, don't have to put the dressing on right away. You can do it like right now. We're going to eat in a few hours. So, okay. Want to have a taste, Rick?
Are you going to pour it on?
I want you to taste it
Oh,
first.
I didn't want to taste that.
Yeah. See if it passes the test.
Yeah, pour it in.
It's nice, huh?
Vinaigrette.
All right.
Hear my Instant Pot percolating back there.
Things are happening. All right. I'm just going to mix it up, and we'll be back to show you this one. Rick makes the Reuben sandwiches.
Oh, I can't wait. 10 minutes left. I smell it. It smells good. I think I'm just going to let the pressure out. I can't wait any longer. I'm going to start making my sandwich. Whoa, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to show you I had this fry and pumpernickel deli swirl. Look, looks like they made a Reuben too, right? It says Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's the season. I'm going to get my bread ready. I'm going to butter the bread and put it in frying pan. Oh! Alright. Remember I said I might do natural release? I changed my mind because I put it in for extra time. 90 minutes used to be good, but these were bigger pieces. So I'm going to let the pressure out, get my bread ready, and heat up that frying pan. Right back. Butter that up. Or not. This is going to be like a grilled Reuben. You don't have to grill yours. You could just use fresh bread if you want. So I like it like that. I really do. A lot of pressure in there, isn't there? Undue pressure. Okay. You can have one too, right?
Yep, I'll have one.
All right. Let me just make this one quick.
Sure.
For a sample. That's my hair. Can't do a thing with it. Time for mohawk. One more mohawk I got in me. What? This is new. Thousand Island. I'm going to put this on after I grill it. Last time I put everything on in the frying pan, but how do I do this? Child poop. Huh. Doesn't that smell good? You can smell it.
Let's do it in here.
Got a wrench. Oh, got it. Now remember, this is an 8-quart Instant Pot, but I already made it in a 6-quart. It doesn't have to be an Instant Pot. It could be any pressure cooker. That's just a brand name, Instant Pot. But that's the one I picked today. You know, we have a lot of them around here. 2-quart, 3-quart. What's that big one? 12-quart. That's the Go Wise. Oh, you hear the pin drop? All right, now's the time. We're gonna look at the meat. It smells delicious. Tinkle, tinkle. Open the lid away from you because of the hot steam. Ooh, remember how big they were? Oh, it looks so good. Looks so good. See if I can get them out. It's barreling. Corned beef brisket. Oh boy. Oh, it's gonna fall apart.
Okay.
I need something bigger. Spatula number 1. Look at that. Oh, it's so tender. Look. Remember I said slice it against the grain? And sometimes we put cabbage and potatoes in here too. Look at those beautiful things. Mmm. Look. I don't want to waste it, but I want to taste it. Look. Which one should I use for the sandwich? That one or that one?
Oh, I think that will slice nice, the one I told you there.
It may fall apart too much. Look.
Okay, whatever you like.
We made 2 because she wants to use one for something. What are you going to use it for?
I'm going to make corned beef hash for breakfast.
Oh, and we have 2 more that we didn't even cook yet. We got 4 of them the other day. All right. Against the grain. I don't want it to fall apart. Ooh, look at it. Even the toast smells good over there. All right. It's gonna be a Reuben. Kincaid. Look at this guy. I think we should let it sit so. No, we like it like this, right? Right out of the pot. Or however you made it. It's hot. Oh. All right, come over to the frying pan. Toast with the most. I'm gonna build this little sandwich here. I'm going to put some cheese on, some Swiss cheese. Because I like it. I'm going to put a little more meat on there. More meat. Back to the meat pile. Corned beef hash. Is that what you said?
Yeah. With some potatoes and peppers and onions.
Eggs.
I'll eat it with our eggs.
See, this is why I didn't put the dressing or coleslaw in the frying pan. because I want the cheese to melt on top. This is going to be a big, nice, messy. Better than Arby's. Arby's has it like lunch meat, right? Well, we could have.
You can slice it nice and
yeah,
thin.
I got a meat slicer up
chunky.
there. And then.
Oh, that looks nice.
That's going to melt deliciously. Beautifully. This is the best meat. We're going to eat that whole one brisket today. Mmm. Look at that melting. Isn't that great? Oh, flip it over. How's that?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, beautiful.
Mmm. Turn the heat off. This is my favorite thing to make, however it's made. And we made it so many times, and I'm going to make it again. Alright, put this on the plate and start pouring stuff on my sandwich, right? Okay, I got some bread for yours. But they want to see me take a bite of this quick, alright? Okay, so here I'm going to put the Thousand Island dressing. You can eat it just like this. Put mustard on there or something. But look. And homemade coleslaw. Which you could use sauerkraut or nothing at all. But look at this. Still snowy out there. It's really blowing. What a perfect thing to do on a snowy day when you can't go outside. If you got a brisket in your house. Right? And you take a bite of it. We have the meat. Mmm. Best sandwich ever. It's really good. You have to try it. It's easy. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We eat this for St. Patrick's Day, right? That's when they have the sales going on. Okay, I can't say much more, but it's just so delicious. I'm gonna make a couple more. She wants one quick. All right, try this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Mmm. Mmm. Bye. Put it in the frying pan.